Hi guys, so again I am back to teach you the story that stick that grew shorter. And in last two videos I had told that it is the story of Jamindar's house. So it's the one night one person who has stolen or something from the Jamindar house. So whenever he went, he just ran out from his house. On that time suddenly the Jamindar has wake up, and then he saw him to run, and then something flash on his eyes. Then he think that that's the diamond which is flashing, and then that person has ran out from the house. And then he just started thinking that who is that person. Then he just started shouting to calling the servant name, and he started shouting like Raman, Raju, help, see, wake up, someone is there at home, someone has stolen my diamond necklace, so please lock all the doors. Jamindar shouted, and he just started rushing out, and he just rushing out of the room. And then the servant had locked all the rooms in from high to low, all the rooms doors. And then no one should have been then he said that no one should not have been there. Then they all trapped, and all the Jamindar called all the people, all the servant in room, and said that stand in a line. And because that's the night time, so all the people is in sleepy mode, in sleepy eyes. So then the Jamindar asked that could you find some man who just stolen my diamond necklace. Then the old Jamindar said that he's just shaking his voice, and he said that no one has left the house. There is no stranger within. Then the man, he's just saying that it means that the thief is one of you, because no one has gone outside and no one has came outside from inside. It means that thief is in house only, and necklace is also in house only. Then from that, then he just started thinking, and he said to the old trusted servant that see that no one will go out, and I will go to the bed right now, and I will talk tomorrow with all the servant. Then next morning again, see just what happened. Next morning the Jamindar asked all the servants to assemble on the veranda. So next morning the Jamindar called all the servants, and he said let's come together in veranda. Then when they were all there, he gave each one a stick. Then on that time he just started one new idea that how we can catch a thief, because if we will told him to tell me that who is thief, then the thief can't come that yes I am a thief. So he just started an idea, and he just given one stick to all the servant. Then these sticks are all of exactly the same length, and he said that these all sticks are the same length. And then after he said that bring them back tomorrow morning. Then Jamindar said to all the servants, bring this stick tomorrow in the morning. Then the guilty person's stick will have grown an inch. Then the Jamindar said that who is guilty, who is thief, that person's stick will grow 1 inch. Then that night Raman could not sleep, because Raman was a thief, so that's why he did not sleep. He think that because I have a guilty person, I have stolen the necklace, so if maybe the 1 inch stick will grow, then we will how I can face the Jamindar, how can I face. Then on that time he could not sleep night. I do better cut an inch off, he thought. Then the Raman thought that it's better that if maybe 1 inch will cut, then I will cut, and the Jamindar will kill me, and he will give to me police. So he think that it's better that to cut 1 inch of stick. Then when the stick grows, it will be the right size. Then he think if I will cut the 1 inch, then if it will grow, then it will be the same size. Then he took a sharp knife and carefully cut off an inch. Then on night he just take the sharp knife, and he just cut it 1 inch in stick. Then the next morning the servant returned the sticks to the Jamindar. The next morning the all servants just returned the sticks to the Jamindar. Then the moment when Raman handed him to shortened stick, the Jamindar cried, grab him and hold him. He's the thief. Then when the moment that Ramna has given that stick, shortened stick to Zamindar, then the Zamindar started cry shouting, and he said that just grab him, and because he is the thief. Then then Ramna fell at the Zamindar's feet and forgive me, master, I will never steal again, he sobbed. Then after the Jamindar, he just fell on the Jamindar's feet, and he said that please forgive me, from next time I will not steal anything again. And then, but why did not the stick grow as you said it would? Then the Raman said that, but why the stick did not grow like you have said that those who has the thief, the stick will grow 1 inch. Then why it's not grow? Just tell me. Now for that, why it's not grow, that I will tell you in the next videos, and please watch the next videos because it's the line only short, like now only few paragraph is there. After finishing I will give you the word so that you can find out their meaning in next videos. But in next videos, please watch the next videos, and please stay at home happy with you, and enjoy your quality time with your families, and enjoy the online classes. Thank you, and have a nice day. For the word meaning, watch the next videos.